Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme GT7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to create multiple users on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our settings. Then we have to scroll down and click on the users and accounts option. And here we have to open multiple users. Now we have to enable multiple users, and as you can see right here we can now add user. Here we can set a profile picture of our user. We can take it with our camera or choose from photos. So I am going to choose this one. And here we can set username. So I'm going to name my new user Peter. And that's how you create multiple users. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!